Temu is significantly cheaper than Amazon for several key reasons, primarily related to its business model, supply chain, and pricing strategy. 1. The supply chain, cutting out all the middlemen. This is the most significant factor. Temu is owned by PDD Holdings, which also owns Pinduoduo, one of China's largest e-commerce platforms. This gives Temu incredible leverage. Direct-to-consumer (D2C) from China, Temu acts as a direct intermediary between thousands of manufacturers and factories in China and the global consumer. There are no importers, distributors, wholesalers, or local warehouses adding markups at each step. The agent model, Temu doesn't own the inventory. It lists products from suppliers and only purchases them from the factory after you place an order. This eliminates inventory storage costs and the risk of unsold goods. 2. The next-gen manufacturing model, Temu influences production. Temu and its parent company have perfected a model called consumer-to-manufacturer, C2M, or demand-driven manufacturing. How it works: Temu uses its vast platform data to identify microtrends and what consumers are searching for. They then feed this data directly to their network of manufacturers. The result: factories can produce exactly what is in demand, in the right quantities, with minimal waste. This hyper-efficiency drives costs down dramatically. They produce small batches of a huge variety of items instead of betting on a few big hits. 3. Hyper-aggressive marketing and loss leaders. Temu is spending billions on advertising, Super Bowl ads, social media, etc., to acquire customers. A key part of their strategy is to offer insanely low prices on popular items as loss leaders. They are willing to sell certain items at a loss, or zero profit, to get you to download the app and make your first purchase. The psychology is that once you're in the app and see thousands of other cheap items, you'll fill your cart, making the overall order profitable. 4. Extremely low overhead, for now. Shipping: Temu uses the slowest and cheapest method of international shipping, often by boat combined with local postal services like USPS. You wait 7 to 14 days, or more, but the cost is minuscule. Amazon's massive investment in warehouses, planes, and trucks for 1 to 2 day delivery is incredibly expensive. Warehousing: as mentioned, Temu holds no inventory in the US. Amazon has over 1,000 fulfillment centers in the US alone, a cost that must be factored into prices. Customer service: Temu's customer service is often automated and not as robust as Amazon's. Lower investment here also means lower costs. 5. Economies of scale and the bundle. When you order from Temu, your individual items are often bundled with thousands of other orders into a large consolidated shipment. This maximizes container space and reduces the per-unit shipping cost to almost nothing. Your order might be shipped from multiple factories, but Temu's logistics system bundles them efficiently for the long journey. 6. Different standards and regulations. Products sold on Amazon, especially by US-based sellers, must comply with stricter US consumer safety regulations, e.g., CPSC for toys, FCC for electronics. Products on Temu are shipped directly from China and may not always be subject to the same rigorous testing and safety standards, which can reduce manufacturing costs. This is a major point of concern for product safety and quality. 7. Conclusion. Temu is so cheap because it is a hyper-efficient, data-driven pipeline from Chinese factories to your doorstep. It eliminates almost every possible cost in between: middlemen, inventory, storage, fast shipping, and uses loss-leading pricing and aggressive marketing to win customers. You are paying for the physical product alone, with minimal investment in the convenience, speed, reliability, and customer service that Amazon has built its business on.